Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well in your studies. Today's lessons is about reviewing past year exam questions for winter 2018. This slide is a continuation from part 1. Without further ado, let's get started. The periodic table lists all the known elements. Elements are arranged in order of proton or atomic number. The melting points of group 1 element decrease down the group. The melting points of group 7 element increase down the group. The answer for number 21 would be C. Metal X react with non-metal Y to form an ionic compound with the formula X to Y. Which statements are correct? X is in group 1 of the periodic table and Y is in group 6 of the periodic table. So the answer will be A. Which statement about group 1 and group 7 element are correct? In group 1, lithium is more reactive than potassium, which is not correct. And in group 7, chlorine is more reactive than fluorine, is also not correct. So the answer will be D. Which two properties are physical properties of all pure metals? For all pure metals is actually good conductor of electricity and also is malleable. So the answer for 24 is B. Aluminium is extracted from aluminum oxide using electrolysis. Carbon dioxide is formed in this process, which equation shows the formation of carbon dioxide during the extraction of aluminum from aluminum oxide by electrolysis. So the answer for number 25 is C. A sample of solid X was added to 3 different solutions to predict the position of X in the reactivity series. Which other solution would react with solid X? The answer will be B. Which statement about the uses of aluminum, copper, and iron is correct? Copper is used for cooking utensils, but it is a good conductor of heat. 27 would be C. Air is a mixture of gases. The melting and boiling points of some gases present in clean, dry air are shown. In the fractional distillation of liquid air, which gas boil first? So in this case, I would say that is a nitrogen. Because nitrogen is actually a collected because it has the highest boiling point among the others. Water must be purified before it is suitable for use in the home. Which processes are used to remove solid impurities and to kill bacteria? So, as we know that to remove solid impurities is a process of filtration, and to kill the bacteria is the chlorination. Which process do not produce carbon dioxide? It should be the process of photosynthesis and also productions of nylon, 3 and 4. Which pair of compounds would make the NPK fertilizer? An important types of fertilizer is NPK fertilizer, which is N, P, and K are the atomic symbols for nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So, a complete NPK fertilizer is a fertilizer which contains all 3 elements. Many synthetic fertilizers contain nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium in the form of various compounds. So I would say that the answer will be A, ammonium sulfate and potassium sulfate. Which pollutant gas is produced by the decomposition of vegetation? Methane gas is produced when the microorganism in the ground decompose waste. The answer will be B. The equation for the formation of sulfur trioxide from sulfur dioxide is shown. The forward reaction is exothermic, which combination of pressure and temperature give the highest equilibrium yield of sulfur trioxide. The answer will be in terms of the pressure will be high and in terms of temperature will be low. The diagram shows the pH value of the soil in two parts of a garden, X and Y. X carry the value of pH 7 and Y carry the value of pH 5.5. Lime is used to neutralize the soil in one part of the garden. To which part of the garden should the lime be added and why? Part of the garden will be Y, which is having the pH of 5.5, and because lime is basic. Statement 1, hydrogen is used as a fuel. Statement 2, when hydrogen burns in the air to form water, heat energy is produced, which is correct. Both statements are correct, but statement 2 explain statement 1. The answer will be A. Which row identify compound in the same homologous series? In terms of the chemical properties, they have a similar chemical properties, and in terms of the functional groups also, they are the same. Three chemical reactions are shown, in which the reaction there's the relative molecular mass of the carbon-containing compound decreases during the process of combustion of ethanol and fermentation of glucose 2 and 3. And how is ethanol produced by fermentation? And I would say it's using anaerobic at 30 Celsius, which a substance react together to form ethyl propanoid. The answer for this will be propanoic acid and ethanol. The structure of chlorofluorocarbon polymer is shown as you see in this diagram. And which monomer is used to make this polymer? The answer will be B. With that being said, thank you very much for your listening. And by the way, please subscribe to Jom Study Lab YouTube channel. And the customized notes are available at http://beacons.ai/jomstudylab. And other options to access the Beacon page is via Jom Study Lab Instagram. That's all for today's lesson. Hope to see you later.